Okay, so we've had 2 days to start the week, and just looking back at a call that I made on pound dollar. So the first day of the week we can see looking at potential long here on pound dollar for a possible move higher, and so if we look at our chart, that was at this point here, so we can see that hammer candle, and there's our hammer candle there. And so after seeing this sort of price action downward, I believe that we actually were going to reverse from this area, and we got a first push up, and certain things that I saw on the indicators and the price action actually showed me that this was going to move higher. And so actually I was buying all the way up here, and if we just zoom in, I'll just show you my position. So here's where I made the call, in this circle here, and you can see we immediately went into profit. What I'll just do is I'll just turn this off here. Okay, and just let you see that this is actually, okay, this is a live account. It's not a demo account, this is a live account. And so this is my deal map for pound dollar in the last 2 days. Okay, so I bought right at the very bottom. Okay, so a lot of people say you can't pick tops and bottoms. My first positions were from the very bottom. As it pulled up, you can see I took out a number of positions, 67 pips, etc. It pulled back. I then sold it down, and then into this area here. I bought it up again, and you can see these long holds, 86 pips, 120 pips. Sold it down from the top again, and I had 3 small losses here. It looked like we were going to turn around and have a correction, but it didn't. But compared to these wins, that was nothing. It was only, I think, 3 positions at 15 pips. And then we got up to the top region here, and I believe we were going to reverse, and sure enough we did. So I sold it all the way down, 20 pips, 26 pips, and then we saw a correction down, but I believed it was going to continue, and you can see I bought up again here. And then today we had a really strong move up, and there's a number of positions in there if I just zoom in on that chart. So I bought all the way up here, right up in there. And so it's been a great couple of starts to the week. So these are the positions, as you can see on the deal map, reflected on the deal map. These are some of the wins. So the full results of the last 2 days, as you can see, 21st of June, 23rd of June. So these are the results we've had. As you can see, this is a live account on CTrader, and these are all trades in pound dollar which have been done in the past 2 days. Okay, so we're looking at, well over sort of 500 pips or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot more than that, maybe 600, 700 pips plus. And that's just because we understood the direction of the trend. We knew when it was going to turn around, and so we could get a really tight entry on our positions. So what an awesome way to start the week. And if you're interested in learning how to trade like this is I just showed you, this is a live account. This is a real market. I made the call 2 days before, and since the call we're up now 135 pips. So this is what we teach at the university, and if you're interested, then get on our website, elitetradersuniversity.com, and you can schedule a call to talk with us. We can talk about how your trading's gone so far and how we can take you to the next level as a professional trader, not just someone who's trying to win in the market, but someone who actually has an edge, a plan, can execute that plan effectively and efficiently, and can actually make the real money that you're seeing here on a live account. So all the best with the rest of your week, and look forward to seeing you on the Facebook group or in the university.